Okay everybody, welcome back to this mini video on Sophia's DIY and Experiment channel. Please make sure to like and subscribe down below. Also, today what we're going to be doing is a challenge where my assistant Anna over here will be choosing 3 colors, and I'll be choosing 3 colors, and we're going to be painting a sign just how the other person would want to do it for theirs. And we also will have 5 minutes to complete this, so let's get rolling.
So the colors I chose for Sophia, one is periwinkle, the other is cherry, and her favorite color, so I think vivid pink.
The colors I chose for Anna are bluebell, because she likes blue, I guess, so that's a good one. Golden amber, just like yellow. And then more of like a turquoise, and I don't know what it's really called, but this kind of color. What we're going to be doing is painting it how we think our friends are going to be painting it. And let's go.
Hello friends! So, the colors that I would have chosen are celery. Sophia got the blue, turquoise, aqua correct. And then I would have chosen periwinkle, what I used on her sign.
What I would have chosen was this lagoon kind of color right here. I would have chosen like this nectar color right there. And then she got this one right, the pink. And yeah, and then here are our signs.
The sign I made for Sophia says family. Gets a cool surfer / teen girl vibe. All the colors are incorporated in an awesome swirl form.
I would have done like that style. I really like that style. Now mine is kind of, I don't know, mine is kind of goofy, but here it is. Like, I know it's kind of like lame, but it's alright. So here I just have like different designs. Like I have a dot, like I guess one that's just that. And then these were 3 colors, but I mixed them together and like did different designs with it. So yeah, see you next time on Sophia's DIY and Experiment channel.
Bye! That's how it comes together. I was more of your assistant this time than last.